everyone, welcome to a fresh chapter. In this chapter, I will be addressing another question that is usually asked in an interview. So what is this question? This question is, why should I hire you? Many of the times, the interviewer asks the interviewee to tell them why should they hire you, right? So how do you answer that? That is what exactly I'm going to tell you here. Employers might ask this question to learn a few different things about you. So employers might ask this question to learn a few different things about you. First is, what differentiates you from other candidates they might be interviewing? So this is very important for them because they need to have a personality who stands above everyone else they're going to be interviewing, right? The second reason, they ask this question to see how you handle difficult situation. Of course, this is a very difficult situation when somebody puts you on the position where you have to answer why should they hire you. This is a difficult situation. So they're going to judge how you're talking and how your behavior turns after this question. Third point is, they want to know your strengths. So, of course, in this question, you will end up giving your strengths. You will end up talking about your strengths. Because जब भी आपसे कोई ये पूछता है कि मैं आपको क्यों हायर करूं, तो आपके दिमाग में सारे अपने पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स, आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स और जो भी आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन है वो एकदम से क्लिक करती हैं, राइट? So they want to know all your key skills and your strengths. So you have to mention all these things to them. Now you need to know all the ways in which they can ask you the same questions, because the question might change but the answer will remain same, right? So they might ask you, why would you be a good fit for this position? They might also ask, what makes you a unique person or a unique candidate for this position? Why you are the best person for this job? They can ask you in any of the way, but the answer will remain the same. So to close the deal on that particular job, you have to give them a summary, basically a concise summary of your skills and your qualification and everything. अब इस question में आपको दोबारा से start नहीं होना है. You don't have to start from the very beginning. You don't have to tell them a story कि मैंने ऐसे start करा था, वैसे start करा था और मेरी qualifications ये, because most of the things they already know through your resume. एंड कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो आपने ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में आंसर कर दी है, बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन या तो ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन रहता है या ये सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन होता है, तो मोस्टली दे नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट यू. तो अब आपको एक ब्रीफ देना है बेसिकली अपने बारे में और वो चीज बतानी है जो अभी तक आपने नहीं बताई है, राइट? सो विद दिस क्वेश्चन बेसिकली आप अपने आप को इंटरव्यूअर को सेल आउट कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो जब भी आपको कोई चीज सेल करनी होती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव टू सेल दिस पेन, you will have to convince the person, right? You will have to tell कि इसके अंदर ऐसी क्या qualities हैं जिसकी वजह से वो person आप ही का पेन ले, right? So the similar thing you have to do here with yourself. You have to sell yourself to them, right? So let's talk about some of the tips that will actually be very, very helpful for you to frame an answer for this particular question. So you have to prove or be assertive about the fact that you can do the work and deliver exceptional results. ये कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो बेसिकली आपको अपने माइंड में रखनी है while speaking about yourself and why and giving the answer why they should hire you. ये चीजें आपको दिमाग में रखनी है. तो first point is you can do the work and deliver exceptional results. ये important है, इस चीज को दिमाग में रखना है. You will fit in beautifully and be a great addition to the team. आपको उनको ये बिलीव कराना है कि आप उनकी टीम में जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग टीम है उसमें बहुत अच्छे से फिट हो रहे हैं एंड आप उनकी टीम के साथ अच्छे से वर्क कर पाएंगे एंड यू विल बी कोऑर्डिनेट विद ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द टीम. Then you possess a combination of skills and experience that make you stand out. Now, if you have experience, you can use this line, and if you're a fresher, you don't have a lot of experience, तो आप बस ये दो पॉइंट को अपने दिमाग में रखें and you can form the answer. Now I'm going to give you some steps or you can say some tips through which you can frame an answer to this question. So I have 5 tips for you, five tips or steps for you with which you can form an excellent answer to this question. Tip number 1 is study the job posting. This is very important. Whenever you want to apply for a job, तो आप उसका फॉर्म फिल करते हैं या आप जॉब चेक करते हैं, राइट? उसकी पूरी डिटेल चेक करिए कि what is it that the company need from you, right? As an employer. तो आपको क्या चेक करना है? You have to check REE, recruitments, experience, education. ठीक है? तो you already know what these 3 things are. बस आपको इसको अच्छे से पढ़ना है कि exactly डिटेल में पढ़िए कि उनको चाहिए क्या, so that you can inculcate these 3 things in your answer और उनको बताएं कि क्योंकि of course आपको जब पता होगा कि उनको आपसे क्या चाहिए, then only you will be able to answer them कि why you're the best person for them to hire, right? So let's read this out. To understand the specific skills, qualities, and experience employers are looking for, you need to read the job description and the key sections like recruitments, experience, and education. Let's see the tip 2. Research the company. Spend some time over researching about the company. Company के goals क्या हैं, mission क्या हैं, and if at all कोई recent announcement हुई है तो उसके बारे में पढ़ो, because you need to have proper knowledge about the company you're applying the job for, right? I'll give you an example. You can take out your phones here. I'm going to take mine. And let's see. किसी भी एक फेमस कंपनी का मैं आपको समझाती हूँ कि कैसे आप देख सकते हैं. It's very easy. You can just Google it, right? So I'm going to Google Airtel. Airtel company's aim, mission, right? So here, as you can see, as I open the page, you can see Airtel's mission, vision, and values. So they've written their mission, hunger to win customers for life. Their vision, our vision is to enrich the lives of our customers. Our obsession is to win customers for life through an exceptional experience, right? So as you can see, it's written, everything is written in detail. You can just read it all and you can actually show all the knowledge in this particular question कि जो भी आपको उनकी कंपनी के बारे में पता है वो आप इस particular question में उनको show करो, because that will actually be make a very good impression, right? क्योंकि जब भी आप किसी से भी बात करते हैं और आपको उनके बारे में prior knowledge होती है, that makes a very good impression and they feel very confident और उनका काम भी easy हो जाता है. They know that they don't have to explain you about the company because you are already aware of the company's mission, goals, and you know how they are planning to excel in the particular field, right? Now let's talk about tip 3. Be well versed with your past experience, important for the current position. So basically जो भी आपके past experience में जो भी experience है जो कि अभी current position के लिए useful है उसको आप डाल सकते हैं. For example, अगर आपकी previous company में you were a very good, you had a very good communication skills और ये आपको काफ़ी लोगों ने appreciate करा था इस चीज़ के लिए, mention that, you know that this thing is required, this particular skill is required in this company and I have this और ये मेरे को पुरानी company से ही skill adapt किया है मैंने, right? So this is tip 3 for you guys. Tip 4 is give examples if possible. तो आपके पास जो भी examples available हैं, आपने previous work में कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ achieve करी है या कोई भी ऐसे project पे work करा है जिससे company को बहुत benefit हुआ था, so mention about that, give them that example. But बहुत small short example देकर बात करनी है. Now let's look on to the tip 5. Go beyond your resume. Now what I mean by this is कि आपको उनको ये prove करना है that you are exceptional, right? You are better than the others that they are going to interview later. And how will you do that? I'll give you a small example. How can you do this, right? So example is administration. I came up with a plan to reorganize the office supply cupboard by categorizing, after which We placed fewer orders and saved 30% of office supplies. I'm looking forward to bring my efficient thinking to this role. So as you saw in the example, that the person actually worked on the office supply, right? उसको organize करा उन्होंने, due to which उन्होंने अपनी पिछली कंपनी में 30% of the amount save करा, right? तो इस तरीके की, this is a very basic example, ये आपकी efficiency show करता है, right? तो आप इस तरीके के example भी दे सकते हैं उन्हें, अगर आपको कोई particular skill के बारे में बात नहीं करनी है, you can give them your behavioral skills, right? So what if you're a fresher? अगर आप fresher हैं तो क्या करेंगे आप? What are you going to do? ये वाली tips में से कौन सी follow करेंगे? All the tips will remain same for you, except for this one, where one has to talk about their past experience. That will change. उसकी जगह you can talk about any projects that you've worked on or any competitions you've been to in your college, right? You can talk about that, और उसको अपनी present position जिसके लिए आप apply कर रहे हैं उसमें you can relate. आप relate करके बात कर सकते हैं, okay? So I'll give an example later in the example section. So now I'm going to give you some sample answers which you can use in your interview for this question. The question is, why should I hire you? This is for someone who's experienced. Over the years, I have acquired relevant skills and experience which I shall bring to your organization. I have also worked tirelessly on my communication abilities and teamwork skills, which I will put to use in my future career. I have given my 100% effort in my past companies, and this has enabled me to recognize my capabilities and limitations. If I channelize them further, they will bring fruitful results to me and also your esteemed organization. Sample number 2. Honestly, I possess all the skills and experience that you are looking for. I'm pretty confident and I am the best candidate for this job role. It's not just my background in past projects, but also my people skill which will be applicable in this particular position. On the other hand, I am self-motivated person. I try to exceed my superiors' expectations with high quality work. Being a fast learner, I quickly pick up business knowledge related to my project. Now, I'm going to give you a sample answer which can be used by anyone. I feel that I should be hired by you given my excellent academic background along with the skills and experience the company is looking for. I have experience and the attitude to excel. If given a chance, I will surely work towards building my expertise, which would prove beneficial for me as well as for your organization. So as you saw, the last one was a very general one. All of you can use this. So one more thing, एक query होती है जो बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि अगर मैं ऐसी job के लिए apply करूँ which is different from my previous job. For example, if you were a teacher in your previous job and now you want to apply in administrative department of a particular company, तो आप क्या show करेंगे उनको कि आपके अंदर ऐसी क्या quality है कि वो आपको hire कर ले? एक तो obviously you can tell them why you want this job, what are the benefits that you see कि वो teaching job से better लग रही है, and then you can also tell them कि आप अपनी teaching job में किस तरीके से बहुत efficient थे. You were a great organizer, and an administrative staff is supposed to be a good organizer, right? तो आप वो बता सकते हैं. आपकी communication skills बहुत अच्छी है because you communicated with so many children and their parents, right? So आप उसको include कर सकते हैं अपने answer में कि relate. Basically, you are going to relate the qualities that you have from the previous job to the current job that you're applying for. That's it for this chapter. Let's look on to the next chapter.